Okay, so we did this simulation, and like I said, each one of those tasks, those challenges that you were faced with, is supposed to mirror a actual thing that happened in the 14 and 1500s to European explorers when they were exploring their new world, right? That simulation was supposed to be you guys exploring our new world, space. Okay, so the idea there is, yes, for it to be a little bit fun, a little bit engaging, not so much over Zoom, but that's the way it goes. But also so you guys could kind of like brainstorm, right? So you could start thinking about on your own and processing in a way that made sense to you the actual things that would happen in the past. Okay, because that's kind of the hardest part when studying history is it's hundreds of years ago, and it doesn't have any impact on us. We can't connect to it. That's the key. We can't really connect to the history. So, as much as what I had you do is a little hokey, a little silly, it is one of the few ways that we can try and connect in the present day with people in the past, is by trying to put ourselves into similar situations and see how we would react. Okay. So that's the objective with the simulation. And so now you're just going to, real basically, you're going to read over the motivations for why the explorers wanted to go to the New World, some of the things, the issues that they faced while they were doing so. Excuse me. You'll take good old 3-column notes. Make sure you write your summary as well on those readings. And then at the very end, you're going to compare the couple of things that we read about here with the tasks from the simulation. So what Novan resources or whatever, how does that connect to what happened for the different, like these two things is the one that's going to connect with. And then cultural resistance should be in here as well, with the idea of trying to spread Christianity. Okay, so we'll refer back to that simulation more than a few times when we do a reading on this. We'll try and come back and be like, okay, was this a task 1? Was this a task 2? And then we'll do a little bit more talking about what are some of the things you would do in that situation, because like I said, the whole idea there is trying to connect your beliefs, your mind, etc., with what happened in the past. All right, there you go.